So, hello everyone. Today we are starting a new topic which is fractions. First of all, for few students it might be very difficult and scary concept, and for few it will be very easy. But what my take on fractions it is very easy. It's just to need to explain the basic concept in the most exciting and creative way so that kids can learn and make continue having interest in learning maths. So this channel is basically made to make maths learning easy for the kids and understood the concept and make them revise again and again. So let's start our new topic, which is fractions. Here on the screen you can see there is a pizza I draw, which is of blue color. Don't mind, my pizza is of blue color. And I divide the pizza into four slices, four equal slices. And let's say I'm not that hungry, so I don't want to eat the whole pizza, and I will eat only one slice of pizza. This much pizza I have eat. How many slices? One triangular slices. Okay, I eat one slice and left slices, which are left, which I didn't eat. One, two, three. There are three. Total slices. How many slices were there in the pizza? One I eat, three are left. So basic maths, one plus three, it will be four slices. Okay. So from these three numbers, we'll able to make a good fraction. So see what is a fraction. Fraction is basically a part of something whole. Here, pizza is everything. Pizza is a whole pizza which is divided into four slices. Out of four slices, I have eat one slice and I left three slices. One part I eat, three parts I left. So this is a fraction. And how will we write it? Very easy. Let's draw two lines, two different fractions. One eating fraction, how much I've eat, I've just writing E, and one fraction which is left in the pizza. In the lower number, which is called as denominator, I will let you know what is denominator and numerator. Both are 4 4, because in eating also we have four slices. We have options to eat the whole four slices or any number of slices out of the four slices. And the left pizza also, we have the option to left as many slices we want out of the four slices available. So lower number will always be the available maximum number. Here maximum is what? One, two, three, four. Four slices can be there if we eat the pizza or if we not eat the pizza. So how many have we eaten? We'll write in the upper part. One I have eaten. How many left? Here. Three is left. So these are the true fractions. Okay. So let me mark what is the denominator. The upper number will be numerator and the lower number will be denominator. Understood? Upper number will be, see, upper number will be numerator, lower number will be denominator. And internally, all of the fraction, most of the fraction, lower number, which is the denominator, will always be larger than the upper number. Because either we eat the whole pizza, then it will be equal. It will be 4 out of 4. We eat whole pizza. Okay? Or either it will be less. 3 by 4. If we are eating 3 by 4 pizza, if we are eating 2 by 4 pizza, if we are eating just one slice, if kids are aware of decimal, so I can also eat half of the slice, half of the one slice. So like this. Okay, I hope you got the concept. So we'll meet in next class and little go further into like and unlike fractions. Till then, please see the content and let me know in the comments how is it going. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.